Hey there, I'm Kyle from Drive Wheaton TV showing off another ride at Wheaton Honda.
A pre-owned pickup with plenty of pop. This 2018 Ford F-150 Platinum has a 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing 470 pound-feet of torque and 375 horsepower. It's controlled by a 10-speed SelectShift automatic transmission. Like any good truck, it comes with 4-wheel drive and also has selectable drive modes. Plus, smart tow technology will make hooking up and hauling a little easier. It has power folding assist steps, a full bedliner, and a remote starter, along with heated power mirrors. The interior is decked out in leather with power adjustable pedals and steering wheel, heated and cooled front seats, heated rear seats, and a panoramic sunroof. In terms of tech, you get a surround view camera with sensors, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and navigation. This F-150 also comes with the blind spot information system, with trailer coverage and cross-traffic alert to help you stay safe on the road.
Now, if you have any questions about this F-150, you can reach me with email, Facebook, or Twitter. You can also just head down to Wheaton Honda and check it out.